Hello and welcome to Koakni Kitchen. Today we'll be showing you how to make a classic mojito. So these are the ingredients that we will be using today to make the classic mint mojito. So we would like some fresh mint leaves, some ice that we will crush later to add in, some soda water, some sugar syrup that we will show you how to make in the next part of this video, and lime. So to make the sugar syrup, it's quite simple really. The proportion that you need is 1 cup of sugar to 1 cup of water. And then you let this simmer on a light heat until the solution of the sugar and the water becomes clear. That's when you know the sugar syrup is ready. Now, this is enough for 4 cups of mojito. Just bear in mind that after the sugar syrup is ready, it will be quite warm, so you'd want to get this done early so that you can leave it to rest so it cools down for the final part. The second step is to cut the limes into cubes, or if you're using lemons, do the same with that too. Then we begin assembling the mojito itself. You put the mint in the glass and you gently grind it. So grinding helps bring out the flavors within the mint. Now to grind here we've used the end of a rolling pin, but you can use whatever you want, whatever to get the job done. Next you add the limes in and try adding them so that the skin is up. This makes it easier to grind. Also, when you're grinding, bear in mind not to grind too hard. Yes, we want to get the juices out, but we want to do it gently so that it doesn't become bitter due to the white bits also separating into the mixture. Next, you add 75 milliliters of sugar syrup and approximately 100 milliliters of soda water. Now you can adjust this to however you prefer it. If you would like it to be more sweet, you can add more syrup. If you like it to be more fizzy, you can add more soda water. Just give it a little mix to let the flavors fuse. Then add some crushed ice to bring coolness to the whole mixture. And there you have it, a completed classic mint mojito. Now here's another one that we made using the same ingredients and the same method. We just put less sugar syrup and less soda water. Here you can have a closer look. Yep, so thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, do remember to leave a like and share this video with others. And if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe to our channel.